You got a message. Welcome to the Fact Factory, your daily delivery of facts, not fakes. Here's your fact for today.
What happens when the military takes on 20,000 giant birds? Spoiler, the birds win. In 1932, the Australian military lost a war against birds. Armed with machine guns, soldiers tried to cull 20,000 emus, destroying crops, but the birds were too fast and smart. The military eventually retreated, leaving the emus victorious.
Delivery completed. Your next delivery of unbelievable fact is scheduled in 24 hours, and the countdown starts now.